Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial on how to add money or funds related to your Ticketmaster purchases directly to your Apple Wallet. This is especially useful in 2025 with all the new updates making mobile payments even smoother. Whether you're dealing with refunds, credits, or gift cards from Ticketmaster, getting them into Apple Wallet means easier access for your everyday spending. Stick around because I'll walk you through the steps quickly and clearly, so you can do this in under a minute. First things first, make sure you have the latest versions of both the Ticketmaster app and the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is crucial for compatibility with 2025's features. Open the Ticketmaster app and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings or the section where your tickets, orders, or credits are listed. Look for any funds, refunds, or gift cards you want to transfer. Next, select the item you want to add to Apple Wallet. There should be an option that says something like Add to Wallet or Transfer Funds. Tap on that, and it might prompt you to authenticate with your Apple ID or Face ID for security. This step ensures your information stays safe. After authentication, you'll see a preview of what will be added. Double-check the details to make sure everything looks correct. Now, head over to the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. You should see the new item appearing as a pending addition. Tap on it to confirm and finalize the transfer. Once it's done, your funds will be ready to use for payments, Apple Pay, or even splitting with friends. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your apps are updated and your payment methods are verified. And that's it, you've successfully added money from Ticketmaster to your Apple Wallet. This feature saves you time and makes managing your finances on the go a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.